Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to do a quick lesson on Soul Man, and I've already done the play along for the very beginning, so check that out right up here and you can look at the play along. I have 2 slow versions and 2 fast versions so that you can play along with the tab. But I wanted to break this one down a little bit more and talk about what's happening in the verse and a little bit about this rhythm, because this is something that you can use a lot if you play funk, or if you're interested in playing funk and just starting out. It's also used in ska a lot, and it doesn't use full bar chords. So if you are a beginning guitarist, this is another way that you can learn new chords if your fingers are still not quite getting those bar chords. Before we get started, guys, click that subscribe button and check out the description below to check out the courses that I have going on right now. And one of the main things that I'm doing lately is the 10-day guitar course. And this will let you choose 5 songs, and I'll go through all the steps for you to learn how to play those songs yourself. All right, guys, let's get started. So we're basically doing 2 chords this whole time, but we're gonna be in 3 different positions. So let me show you what that looks like. The first one we're gonna do is a G chord, and we're doing that up here on the 3rd fret and the 4th fret. So what I'm doing is I'm barring with my first finger on the B and the E string, and then my second finger is on the 4th fret of the G string, and we're just playing those bottom 3 strings. Now the next one we're gonna play is a G chord as well, but it's a different inversion. And basically an inversion just means that the bass note changes. So we're gonna move it from here to up here. And so it sounds a little different, and it's one way that you can stay on the same chord, but change the way it sounds, and you can even make melodies within the same chord by changing just the inversion. So we start with this G, then we're gonna go up to this G, and this is more in a D position. And I don't know if you knew this, but D is a movable chord. So we're still gonna stay on these bottom 3 strings, but we're gonna be at the 7th fret now and the 8th fret. So I've got my first finger on the 7th of the G string, my second finger on the 7th of the high E, and my 3rd on the 8th of the B. And then we're gonna go to A minor after that. So all I'm gonna do for A minor is I'm gonna bar the G, B, and E string at the 5th fret, and we're gonna play those bottom 3 strings again. And then we end up on that G string again. So G, G, A, minor, then G. All right, now one thing to get this rhythm is I'm really just kind of keeping 8th notes with my hands. So practice going just. So I'm gonna catch this part when I'm going down, and I'm gonna catch it again when I come up. So it's gonna go 3, 4. All right, and then, so bop, 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 and then we're gonna do da, da, da. So down, up, down, then just one time here, then back to here. So. And one thing that I found that helps me is that when I'm going from this A minor to the G, I'm really exaggerating moving this finger back, because if I don't do that, I find that I have a hard time getting this second finger down where it needs to be, because you want a G major chord here and an A minor chord here. So we want to make sure that we're having those notes in there, all right? So let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, and... All right, guys, there are some play-alongs coming up after this that will do a slow version and a fast version. Check out the intro in the other video, so you can learn that in the other video. And I'm also going to have a play-along that has the horn parts in it as well. So check that out. It'll be coming out soon. I'll see you in the next video, guys, and don't forget to click that subscribe button.